Namaskar, my dear friend. Myself DP Angwar. Welcome you to my YouTube channel DP Forensic Lab. In today's video, I will discuss about the techniques or methods used in comparison of the glass samples. As we know that in the forensic laboratory, we frequently require to compare two glass samples. One sample may be collected from the SOC side and other may be collected from the non-vehicle or other source as a control samples. So in today video, I will discuss about all suitable methods used for comparison of the glass samples. So first we have to know what is a glass actually. So it is a transparent, non-crystalline amorphous solids material that is cooled when a molten rapidly. Ingredients such as the sand, soda, lime, stone, and cool rapidly without crystallization. And if we talk about the characteristic, it is a non-crystalline structure. Means the atoms are arranged in an irregular form. Suppose in the quartz, the atoms are arranged in a regular form, but in the glass, they are arranged it in not irregular form. So this is amorphous material, non-crystalline material. And here we talk about the composition. The main composition is a SiO2, about the 72%. Then Na2O, CaO, MgO, Al2O3, K2O, SO2, SO3, and F2O, F2, Fe2O3 in different percentage. And further, in the, this is a main formers. Former means the glass is formed. Why ingredient of this Si2, as we have already see in the previous slide. And this is intermediate compound or ingredient added, and this is a modifier. So this modifier are used for changing of the different properties as per the requirement. So this is a composition of the glass, because this should be know what is a composition. Now if we talk about the type of the glass, there is a different type of the glass. In the first is a flat glass made by a flat glass process. Molten glass is floated on a pool of a tin while cooling. So this is called a flat glass. And other is a laminated glass. And another is a tempered glass. So this is a different type of the glass may be found in the crime scene. So now we will talk about the what is the method are used for comparison of the glass samples. So first method is a physical fit. If two samples, one collected from the SOC side, like this question sample, and other is a control samples, this we should try whether they are able to fit, physical fit like this in this case. So if they are a physical fit, we can report the case, or we can give the concrete opinion. This glass piece, the question glass piece, belong to the this control samples, or these are came from the same source, or we can say this question sample glass sample is a part of the this class. In case of the physical fit, one in practically, in many cases, you are not able to find the such type of the glass which are the physical fit. If they are not physical fit, we require the further examination for the comparison of the glass samples, or making the opinion whether these are from the same source or is a common source. So then we have to measure the different properties, physical properties, the optical properties, like a thickness, color, I have not added here, but color, refractive index, and density. Okay. These parameters should be measured. In the previous video, I have made the video about the measurement of the refractive index and how we measure the density. I made a video which are available in the YouTube channel. You can see for the measurement of the refractive index or the density of a glass. Yeah. So if these property does not match, so you can report the case. That not means they are come in the different source. You can say the question samples and the control samples does not come from the same source or is not a part of the common source, or question sample A is not part of the control sample S. Further, if they does not match, this property matched. So sorry, if this property matched. So match means you cannot now say only the basis of the thickness or density, right? They are the same source. So you have to further required for the confirmation element analysis. You have to go to the element analysis of the glass, a composition analysis. Yeah. So the element analysis or composition analysis, there are techniques or instrument, the SEM, scanning electron microscope, EDX, for the elemental composition, XRF, X-ray fluorescence spectrometer, or ICP, inductively coupled plasma. I will make a separate video, the procedure used for the analysis of glass sample elemental analysis using these techniques. I will make a separate video. So you have to analyze the elemental analysis, then you have to report the case, whether this came from the same source or not from the same source. And one is I want to give a one warning. What is a warning? Suppose if the thickness of the two glass pieces are different, so what type you have to make? Two glass samples are the different thickness. Suppose one is like this, and this is if thickness is different, you will report these are belong to the different source or the same source. Please think. These may be the same source. I practically verified. Even the thickness of these samples are different, but they may be come from the same source. I practically verified. I broken a one bottle and found the thickness of the two glass pieces are the different. Yeah. They are. Yeah. So, if in any situation, if we measure the two glass pieces are the different thickness, so only the thickness basis we should not open. They are come from the different source. You have to go the further analysis, further analysis for the different properties. Now, hence, it is a two glass pieces are the different thickness. We have to determine the other parameters before making any concrete opinion. This is very, very important. In this case, this is a 4 mm or 2 mm. Yeah. These two glass pieces are from the same source. As I have described, when I am preparing this video, I broke a bottle, and for the manufacturing, the thickness of a different type of bottle was different. So the thickness of the two glass pieces were found different. Okay, thank you. This is the end of video. You can subscribe my channel, and the further in detail you can contact on this number. Okay. My aim is to making the different videos on the forensic analysis of the different type of the samples. Thank you very much.